Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. I just wanted to update you guys on PLTR. I will be doing a what is it called? I will be doing a TA later today, so expect that from me sometime today. PLTR is selling off. I'm still holding my position. I did buy long dated calls like a while back, but I'm probably gonna start buying puts on PLTR soon because my original thesis of PLTR going back down to 19 bucks is starting to look like it's gonna play out. My scenario, my bearish scenario and bullish scenario from the last TA that I did, it looks like the bearish scenario is going to actually play out, and I do think PLTR is probably headed down to $19 after this sell-off. And I know I got a lot of crap from people, especially from a lot of my followers, saying that no, PLTR is going to run because of the whole demo day or whatever, and I told you guys that no, the only reason it ran last time was because of hype, and this just kind of proves it, right? So I don't want to like come on here and like tell you guys that I was right or whatever, but I told you so.